This is a video description of an OATs procedure in which cartilage is taken from one area of the knee to fill a defect in another area. Here we see cartilage worn down to bone. We're going to take some cartilage and bone from another area of the knee that's non-weight bearing. The key here is being able to line up the cartilage perfectly. So we're harvesting this cartilage plug with the bone, and then we're using this needle to find exactly where we need to go to make this completely perpendicular as best as possible. And then we're going to create a hole in the defect size so that we can then fill it with the cartilage. And we're using these lines to get everything lined up as best as possible so that it is flush with the cartilage surrounding the defect. So we're going to take this plug out and then put the previous cartilage bone plug into the defect. So here things are lined up fairly well. So we're going to remove that and then push in the area with the new cartilage. Here we can still see some of the bone in there that we're going to remove before putting in the new cartilage. So we're using this little device here to remove that damaged bone. It may take a few times to get it out perfectly. We'll use a variety of techniques to get this out, and then we'll go in with the new cartilage and bone, again using these lines to make it perpendicular. Here we can see some of the cartilage that's proud. We're going to tamp this down so that it matches up with the surrounding cartilage. Here's the tamp that we're using. We're going to get that as flush as possible, and here we see the cartilage as flush as possible with the surrounding cartilage, and this fills the defect.